Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications. So once you pull down your notifications like I did, you will find the Do Not Disturb toggle. Though for me it's already enabled, so I'm gonna click on it once more to turn it off. So that's how you would normally see it. So once you locate the toggle, you want to hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So we have exceptions for different things like people, apps, interruptions, and below that we have a schedule, so you can set up schedule right here. And if you're planning to use it, just make sure that it is enabled right here with a check mark like this. And this will turn on and off Do Not Disturb mode automatically. So for schedule, that's all you need to do. And also you can tap right here on the gear icon to actually set it up. Now going back, we also have a duration for quick settings, which defines what happens when you press on the toggle right here, giving you a couple options as you can see. And lastly, we have display options for hidden notifications. So it just basically allows you to choose what happens with notifications when the mode is enabled. Anyway, once you went through all the settings right here and customize them to your liking, you can close this and find your toggle. If you're planning to use it manually, just simply tap on it. And once you're done with it, you will then tap on the toggle once more to turn it off. And if you want to use it every day with the schedule, then you really don't need to do anything. Just make sure, like I mentioned before, that the schedule itself is turned on. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.